In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image behind your header on Wix. This is a fantastic way to give your website a more personalized touch and enhance its overall visual appeal. Whether you're looking to make your site stand out or you just want to add a bit of flair, changing the background behind your header is a great start. All right, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. You can do this through your Wix account by selecting the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor interface, go ahead and click on your header. This will highlight the editable elements associated with your header, enabling you to access further customization options. Next, you'll see an option to change the background. Simply click on Change Background. This is where you'll be able to select various elements like colors, video backgrounds, or in this case, images, to customize how your header looks. It's a straightforward process that opens up a lot of creative possibilities for your site. After clicking on Change Background, you'll notice different options, including a tab for Image. Click on this. Wix provides a wide variety of images for you to choose from. But if you have something specific in mind, this next step will be crucial for you. Now, you're going to want to upload your own media if you have a specific image you'd like to use. Click on Upload Media. This will allow you to upload an image from your computer. Ensure that your image is high quality to maintain the professional feel of your website. Remember, the dimensions and resolution of the image can affect how it appears on the site, so choosing the right image will ensure the best display. Once you've clicked Upload Media, a prompt will open which allows you to locate and select your image file from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select it, and upload it to your Wix media library. Once uploaded, you can click on the image to highlight it. You'll finally want to confirm your selection by applying the image as your new header background. To do this, you just need to click Change Background again. And make sure the image is positioned, cropped, or resized to your liking before you finalize the changes. There you have it. Now your website header should feature your chosen background image. With just a few clicks, you've added a unique touch to your site. If you're not satisfied with how it looks, you can always go back and try different images or adjust the layout until you find what works best. Feel free to explore other settings within the editor to further customize your site to match your vision. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.